It's eBay's best tech deal of the week. It's music to my ears. Awesome for back to school. It's coming right up. Music to my ears. Anyone know where this one's going? Hello, I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt Grant. I'll tell you where it's going, in the direction of serious savings. I know, I'm ready, I'm excited. If you've never seen me before, I have no life whatsoever and I love tech. I also love the subscribers of this channel. Thank you guys. If you head over to mattsdailydeals.com or you expand the video description box, you'll find a link here. Reminder, I use affiliate links. That's how I get paid. I appreciate you guys using the links if you want those savings. Now, the deals that I found today tied to something that I actually want to show you, a Bose deal that Amazon has going on, and then I'm going to tell you why I like this particular deal. I've demonstrated full in-depth comparisons and unboxings between all sorts of headphones, done a lot of Beats by Dre in the past, even though I don't really love Beats by Dre. Done a lot of Bose, and I just think that if you're actually looking for the best bang for your buck, the headphones that I'm about to show you really do check all the right boxes. Let's first look at the Bose deal. The Bose Quiet Comfort 35 2 wireless Bluetooth headphones offer phenomenal active noise cancellation, and they do have a $50 reduction on Amazon. It is a great deal. And these are a great deal, $50 off. That's if you have $300 to spend on a pair of headphones. I think that's a little bit steep, and the Amazon Alexa voice service compatibility seemed to work sporadically for me and just actually kind of drained the battery life. So that was my thought on these headphones. If you are in the market for Bose, it's a good pick. I personally don't have $300 to spend on a pair of headphones. Now, the pair of headphones that I'm going to show you today are under $100. They ship for free. And in my test, they've done exactly what the Bose headphones do, same battery life, minus the Amazon Alexa voice service compatibility, and they are, in this case, half the price. Phenomenal battery life, beautiful craftsmanship, and a great deal if you are looking for eBay's best tech deal of the week, in my opinion. That is something you can find on mattsdailydeals.com or expand the video description box. I think this is great for back to school. I think this is also great for anyone that travels frequently and for anyone that desires that premium audio without that premium price. Now, I have mentioned back to school, and yes, if you are going to spend a couple $1,000s on a Mac, you will score a free pair of Beats Studio 3 wireless headphones. Apple has this promotion running right now where they're also including 20% off Apple Care, which is their extended warranty. That's a good deal too. Now, for those of you that are interested in seeing these headphones up close, I will do that now for you. And a reminder that the deals that I am showing you, limited time promotions, don't know how long they will be around for. And I put the Decibel headphones on. Again, it's even without the active noise cancellation working, I can't hear anything. You'll see these cover my ear perfectly. It's the shape, right? When I put these headphones on, the Idea Play ones, and I'm going to just adjust this so this fits me perfectly. You'll see that, I don't know if you can see, but my earlobes are pushing up against the rounded circumference of the headphones. That is a deterrent for me when I'm shopping for headphones. Now, I realize we don't all have the same ear and, thank goodness for your sake, nose sizes. But I prefer these over this. I'll also tell you, when I have them on, they feel comfortable. They feel different. It's very difficult to explain. But another thing I like is I can stream from at least 35 feet away using the Bluetooth 4.0 functionality on this pair of headphones. You'll notice a lot of headphones on the market, especially when they're on sale, they are Bluetooth 2.0. You get a bit of a range difference. You get some interference sometimes, especially if you're streaming from smartphones or tablets. These win. Superb fast charge for those of you that are on the go. So if you charge this for what could be under 20 minutes, you'll get several hours of battery life, which is obviously testament to some of the new functionalities, rapid battery response time you're going to find on new headphones. A lot of people ask, what's the difference between a headphone from 2 years ago, 3 years ago? They all essentially look the same. They're a little bit lighter. The batteries are improved, performance absolutely phenomenal. And then the connectivity, right? A lot of them are now Bluetooth 4.0. Headphones 2 or 3 years ago are using Bluetooth 2.0. That just means you're going to get better reception, less timeouts, and that 30-foot range that we're all used to is now 35 feet. Ooh, an extra 5 feet. Oh. Size, length does matter. Thank you. mattsdailydeals.com is where you can find any of those deals, including my top pick. And for those of you that have, did I mention I love the way they fold? For those of you looking for other big deals, other things that you want me to hunt down, just drop me a line. I would love to find those deals for you. Comment section right under me. And if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, this is what you can do. Just click on my oversized head right here. That'll subscribe you to this channel. If you need help turning on your notifications or leaving a comment, click here. And the last big roundup of deals I did, right over here.